Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rename your club on the Ultimate Team in FIFA 23. Okay, so the first we have to focus on these three tabs: home, play and the club. We have to go for the club, so press R1 and then you have to go below for the right bottom corner on the settings. Open it and right here you can find option to rename club. Open it. As you can see right here, we can change the club name, we can change our tag, the free letter, and to confirm, just click right here to change it. So if you want to change for example, the club name, click X, and right here you can input the new name. And as you can see, to confirm, we have to select options, and it will be applied. But I don't want to change my club name, so I'm gonna leave it like that. But if you are looking for this option, it's right here. And actually that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.